And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm just right now I'm cleaning the bench up so I can record another video. I find a lot of YouTube videos neglect the I don't know. Everybody's all like pretty and they clean everything up and stuff, and no, I'm not saying like, you know, everybody wants to see my dirty garage or anything, but not a lot of times do we get to just make a video and chat on a video and talk to people. And you know, maybe everybody right now is lonely with this COVID shit. So we all need a YouTube video to talk to somebody. But no, I'm just cleaning up the bench, and I'm gonna show maybe a couple of videos. I come in here at, if I haven't already said this, I come here late at night. It's about 10 o'clock. My kids are going off to bed, and while they go off to bed, I make YouTube videos. And I'll be walking behind the camera, in front of the camera. Right now I'm putting grinders away. Basically I put all my grinders away. So, for some reason I got scuba fins here. That can go on the other side. I'll clean this portion in a second. But yeah, I got a few plans. Fit. I got a few projects I have to work on. One, I have to finish this chair. I have to clean up my bench, obviously. I got a couple of, I would like to, the other thing I'd like to do is make a plasma table. I've seen a few of those online, they look pretty cool. So I'm like, yeah, let's copy everyone else and make a plasma table. But I mean, shouldn't joke, all jokes aside, there are a lot of really good videos on YouTube. There are some awesome tips, suggestions. I've gotten lots of tips off people on YouTube. It's awesome. There's a endless amount of shitty things on YouTube too. Like my daughter watches most of the shitty things because I don't know what the hell. You know, kids in YouTube, I mean, oh my god. No wonder why like videos get 40 million views. It's like videos get like 40 million views because there's, what do you call it, people doing dumb shit, and there's people like my kids that kids like my kids who get on YouTube and watch the same video 700 times all day long, all week long. So it's pretty funny that happens. Lots of junk on my bench this week. What I got, 3 minutes going here? Yeah, I'm keeping track of the minutes. I don't want to make a 17-minute long bench cleaning video because who the hell wants to watch me clean my bench for 15 goddamn minutes? So here's some pins. I lost a bag of pins somewhere. I had a bunch of them. I actually ordered more from McMaster. I ordered some more pins from McMaster just because, well, who the hell doesn't need pins? And well, in case I screw it up, I always like to have extra. I don't have any extra pins. I don't have there's certain things I have in my garage. I have a ton of extra, like sandpaper and other things like that I use a lot of. And some other stuff, I'm just like, I'm getting into like new things here. Like when it comes to machining, I lack a lot of basic, I mean, I have some basic machining things, but I'm not a machinist, so I don't have a lot of machining tools. And the machining tools that I do have, well, the machining tools that I do have are all, someone I know gave it to me ages ago, and I mean, I've done a few things on my lathe in the last, 10 years, but for the most part, there was a big, I took a giant lathe vacation. I had my garage in a storage, basically packed up, and I used basic amounts of it for a while. and then I got right back to it. So it's tough sometimes. You run out of space, and you know, shit happens. And what do we got? 4:47 here. But yeah, I'm cleaning my bench up in a few seconds. I'm gonna show it. These videos are also recorded. By the time I put them on YouTube, half the time they're like a month later. So don't expect sometimes I put a video up like in the same week just because I want to show somebody. Like the welding table video that I posted. That one I made it to show Arco and obviously the whole internet. But and thanks for all the kind compliments, everybody who watches my videos. I mean, it's kind of weird, like, you know, people are actually watching my stuff. So it's nice to get some followers on YouTube and have people actually interested in what you're doing. I mean, I like a lot of stuff on YouTube. People do some good stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna end it here, and I'll probably start another video. So anyway, thanks for watching, and rant, and rant away, I guess.